Welcome back everybody, this is PopShopSweets and today I'm going to show you how to dip and decorate perfectly rolled cake pops. If you haven't seen my previous video on how to roll perfect cake pops, click the link below. To dip these cake pops you're going to need some melting wafers. These you can find at any local bakery supply store or a craft store like Michael's. You'll also need either plain lollipop sticks like these or paper straws for a more decorative look. You'll also need a stand to put your cake pops on once they're dipped. The one I use is from an online business called Casey Bakes, but you can use anything that's convenient such as a styrofoam block. So let's start the process. If you're going to use the straws, a trick I use is to put the lollipop sticks on the stand first and then put the straws over the sticks to hold them. If you want to decorate, you can use any type of sprinkles. I'll be using these little pearls and green sanding sugar. I'm going to melt these wafers in the microwave at 50% power in intervals of 20 seconds until they're smooth. Your chocolate should have this consistency and float really easily. Make sure you mix your chocolate so that there are no chunks left. Now I'm going to pick up a stick and put one of the cake pops with the round side down in my palm. You should dip the tip of the stick slightly into the chocolate and then into the cake pop. Continue to do this for all your cake pops so that your chocolate around the stick will harden by the time you're ready to dip your cake pops. Now to use my sprinkles, I'm going to lay a napkin in a plate so that any excess sprinkles that will fall into the napkin, I'll be able to pour back into the bottle to use again. When dipping your cake pops, you want to make sure the melted chocolate meets your hardened chocolate so that you have full coverage. And then begin to slightly shake the cake pops upside down so that all your excess chocolate drips off the cake pop. Once all the excess chocolate is off, flip your cake pops back and tap on the stick to smooth out the chocolate. Immediately after, you can pour your sprinkles all over the cake pops above the napkin in the plate. One important step is to stir your chocolate in between each dip. Make sure that while you're shaking the cake pops, You pay attention to make sure the cake ball isn't going to fall off the stick. Continue dipping and decorating with all your cake pops. And there you have it, your perfectly dipped cake pops. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Leave your comments down below to let me know what other videos you'd like to see.